Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to put ghost mode on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to put ghost mode on Snapchat, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app and here just tap on your profile option in the top left and then just tap on the settings or the gear icon in the top right. Now from here just scroll down and look for the option of see my location. Under the privacy control section, just select see my location option here. And here, if you have enabled the location settings for your Snapchat, so you will see the ghost mode option here. You can easily enable or disable it from here. You can select the timer for your ghost mode. Is it 3 hours, 24 hours, or until I turned off? So let's say I'm gonna select 3 hours from here. So in this way, you can easily put ghost mode on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.